Alright, my people, are you just a beginner that is struggling to play keyboard? So this lesson is for you. I'm just going to teach you all about keyboard. I'm going to show you some keys and their functions. So just concentrate for you to understand it. By then, I'll teach you the name of the keys. So, and this first key is C sharp. All this black key has two names. Either you call it C sharp or D flat. This one is D sharp or E flat. This one is F sharp or G flat. This one is G sharp or A flat. This one is A sharp or B flat. This one is C. This one is C sharp or D flat again. From here to here is first octave. This is all about the names of the key and its function. So what are you going to do for you to start playing song? Because you haven't played any song. Now you're a beginner looking for a way to play song. That's very simple. From the scales you measure, which is do, re, do, F, re, G, mi, A, fa, A sharp or B flat, so, C, la, D, T, E, do again, which is F. You can start playing from that. How can you start playing something like that from that? Okay, assuming you want to play chord 1, which is do. If you want to play it in chord, you have to play do, mi, so. This is do key. Okay, you hold the chord together. In your finger, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The index finger is 1. The middle finger is 3. So the last finger, which is 5, you have to play so. Or assuming as a beginner, just play. So this is first practice you have to be practicing. This is a worship song, that's what I played. And you cannot play do alone because there's no song that can stay on do forever. So either you mix the chord. Okay, let's assume we have 1, 4, 1, 5 progression, which is 1 do. You have to play it like this. Another one is 4. So another chord is 5. Another chord is 1, which is 1, 4, 5, 1, 1, 4, 5, 1, which is do, fa, so, do. So you're not going to play it. There's what's called inversion. So inversion is to minimize stressing yourself coming all this way. You are going to play all these things here. So this is 4, and you are not going to play do, do, fa, fa, do, so, do. So you have to play it in a way that it can be easier for you. So this is first F4. This is a 4 in a dominant chord. So if you want to invert it to another chord, you're going to leave this black key, which is A sharp or B flat. You're going to leave this chord here. Use this hand that you used to hold it. Hold la and hold do. Hold it here. hold B flat here or A sharp. That is first inversion. Another second inversion is to leave La and play Do, Fa, La here. So in this process, now in the second octave, you play it in the first octave, which is Fa, Do, dominant chord, second inversion of a Fa, dominant chord, second inversion of Fa, dominant chord. So another one is So we are playing here. We are not going to play Do, Do, Fa, Fa, Do, Do, So, So, Do, Do, Fa, Fa, Do, Do, So, So. So we have to minimize the stress of coming to this place to play So. This is So in a dominant chord. First inversion should be that you have to leave C, hold E, hold G, hold C again. This is first inversion. This is first inversion on So. So in a second octave like this, we have to leave it and play it in this left hand. Yeah. So for you to understand it now, Do, Do, Fa, Fa, Do, Do, So, So, Do, Do, Fa, Fa, Do, Do, So, So, Do, Do, Fa, Fa, Do, Do, So, So, Do. So instead of playing E flat, D and F as a chord 4, you play F, E flat and D. So Do, Do, Fa, Fa, Do, Do. Instead of playing C, E, G, you play E, G, C. Fa, Fa, Do, Do, So, So. Ooh, ooh, ooh. My God, how excellent is your name. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. So we are not going to play. We are going to practice it with the right hand, which is Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. Oh Lord, my God, how excellent is your name. So try to learn this vamping. It is it's somehow difficult as a beginner, but try to learn it. This tempo is going fast, while this one is counting 1 2 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So this one is counting in a 4. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1. So either you play this double and play this one single, or you play this one single and play this one double. The tempo must not be like this. So though it can progress on song, but you have to make people to listen very, very good and very comfortable, which is so this thing that I have found now, this one is counting 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 in replacing of this time with a 1 2 to replace this 1 2 1 2. So I'm just vamping 1 1 here.